Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I'm Kartina Abdulghani from Apps Master Builder Academy, and I'm going to share with all of you today on how do you update into Google Play Developer Console. Alright, let's go into it. So the first and foremost thing that you must do is, of course, you must log in into your AMB server. Alright, then after that, what we need to do, we need to go to Editor Publication. Alright, and generate a new AAB file. Then we need to log in into Google Play Developer Console and do the updating process. And at the end of the day, we need to go into the app. Some of you may have many apps. Some of you may only have one app. Okay, go into that app. You click on production, and then you click at update release. Then you update a new AAB file, and you need to update any other required updating that is normally Google will ask you to do. Alright, so don't worry ladies and gentlemen, we will gonna go into the system so that you can see step by step. Alright, okay, so let's go in now. Alright, so I'm logging in into the AMB server already. So we're gonna do two updates. Alright, we're gonna do two updates, and if you look into my Google Developer Console, you will see that the last update is April 3rd for both of these apps. So there are definitely many new things that need to be updated. So it's good for all of you. So let's go in. I'm gonna click Manage. Alright, I'm going to go to Editor Publication. Okay, and I'm going to go down here. Alright, and we need to change this to 3.0 and click Generate APK AAB file. And please wait until you see the word pending so that we know that the system has actually started the processing, because sometimes because of internet it may not start. Alright, doesn't seem to start. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually generate again. Yes, now it started. So you see pending, and there's 3 apps in queue. So we are number 3rd. So I'm gonna go into, we can just forget about it, and I'm gonna go into the next app, and I'm gonna go Editor Publication. And I'm going to go down and do the same thing. So I need to change this to 2.0, and then I'm going to generate the APK. Okay, so let's wait. Pending comes in. Still not in yet. Alright, so I'm going to click again. Yes, now it's pending. So we are basically ready. So let us just, so now we are still at queue. So I'm gonna just go back to here. Okay, I'm gonna go to Editor Publication, and there's 2 queues. So each app, ladies and gentlemen, will take roughly about 2 minutes per app. So let's just hang on for a while before we go in. Okay, so without wasting time, let's just go into our Google Play Developer Console, and let's go in this one first. Alright, because we're gonna generate that APK first. So you see there's an update, there's a warning here: update your target API level by August 31st. So we need to do that. Alright, and what we need to do is that we need to go to production. Okay, and we actually create new release, and then we need to upload the new AAB file. So let's go back here and let's just update this by refreshing. Yes, our file is ready. So we need the AAB file. So I'm going to download this now, and I'm going to just let it be in download folder. Okay, I know where it is. So I go back here and I upload. Okay, and I go to my download folder. Alright, so that's the file. Alright, I'm going to click open and it's uploading. Alright, very straightforward, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so while it's uploading, let's now go into dashboard again, and then let's go here and let's download the AAB from this file. Okay, so it's ready also. I'm gonna download it here. Alright, so let's go in. Yep, it's ready, it's in already. So I'm just gonna do few more updating. Okay, so alright, so this come in, we are updating it, so it's okay. So whatever it is, ladies and gentlemen, let's request more time. Sometimes you may not have this when you actually are looking at this and viewing this video. I'm showing you how to update, but at the same time, when you update, there may be certain things that you have to do. So you may be having different things. Just read, don't be afraid, and just follow the instruction. So at this point of time on here, they are allowing us to request more time. So I'm going to request. I'm waiting on a new SDK version. I'm just going to request. Alright, so I'm going to go back to production. Alright, because I have not yet submit for release. So I'm just going to check here that I am into all the countries. It's still 177. Okay, so just want to see whether there's any new regions. No new regions. Alright, so okay, so let's now go. Okay, I want to go to app content. Okay, alright, so is there two declaration need. Okay, financial features. Financial features is something that when we did this app before, there's no financial features requirement, so we need to check. So I'm going to click start here. In this app there's none, so I'm just going to declare my app doesn't provide any financial features. If you have to answer accordingly. So I'm going to save as draft. Okay, and then I'm going to click next. Alright, I'm going to save that. Alright, but I'm not going to change. I'm not going to go yet. I'm going to go app content because I know there's few things, alright, that we need to update here. Okay, alright, so you see account deletion. So this is actually due by December 7. Okay, so I'm going to dismiss this and answer this. Okay, so let me see account deletion. So builder.com/account deletion. I think so. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this account deletion you can actually upload into your own website. Alright, you can upload into your website. You can even use Google Drive because Google Drive has URL. That's the best actually, ladies and gentlemen. However, for those who are not able to do it now, you can just use this temporarily. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up this. Basically, what is this? It's just to show you can pick up from your app. You can put the same format. It's just that to show how your users are able to delete. And also actually we should actually add on here an email so that they can send us an email, which I haven't actually updated this yet with an email because it's required in December. So we actually have to actually add that on. Alright, so I'm gonna put this and paste here. So this is still not compulsory. This is actually an option. So I'm going to save draft. Okay, see, this is optional. Then I'm going to go next. Okay, I'm going to go next. So I'm going to see whether I have completed everything. Okay, yep. So I'm going to go next. Alright, I'm going to save. Okay, I'm not going to go overview yet because there's another thing that I need to add on, okay, which is the website here. Okay, remember, ladies and gentlemen, I actually have sent all of you, there's another video on how to actually put in AdMob requirement for the ads text. Okay, look out for the video in AdMob, how to actually install ads text. So when we install that, we need to put a website here. So in my earlier video, I've already shared with you to actually use this web host, okay, which is free, and it can be, you can use it for free at this point of time for lifetime. You can also upgrade it. Okay, so we are using this, and this is Yellow Pages, and the domain must follow the domain of your app where you are putting in, which is Yellow Pages directory. So that is Yellow Pages directory, and each of the app, when we click here, this is my developer name. So this developer name is the one that we put here. So I'm going to just click manage. So I'm going to just click this because I have already uploaded the text, two texts. Please look at the video that I have uploaded earlier. Alright, you can also find it in the academy. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Alright, and then I'm going to save and publish. I'm going to save and publish. Alright, I think I have done everything right. Okay, so this is only a reminder again about that. So let's try and publish it. So I'm gonna now go production. I'm gonna go edit release. Okay, which I have already put in. So I'm just going to add this into library, add to release. So that's in. I'm going to go next. Okay. Alright, so it still says here, your advertising ID by a manifest. So this is something that the programmer need to update. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to app content. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go to data safety. Alright, and click manage. I'm gonna go to, yeah, next. Alright, next. I'm gonna go to it's not this one. Okay, hang on, this is not, no, okay, it's not this one. Okay, let's go back. Okay, under action, yeah, this is the one, advertising ID. Okay, so I'm gonna go manage, and I'm gonna answer no for now. Okay, save. Okay, then I go to overview. Alright, okay, just next. Okay, so I'm gonna change for review. Okay, see, we did a lot of review just now. We'll just say 1, so it's okay. So that's done. Alright, so now, okay, this will always come in again, so don't worry, we have already request for extension of time. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back here. Alright, I'm gonna go and now go into accredited training providers. Okay, so it's the same thing here. So let's go to app content first. Okay, and let's sort this out first. So doesn't have any financial. Okay, I click save. Okay, no yet. Okay, we go app content. Okay, we go to data safety. Okay, I go next. Alright, so I'm gonna put this dismiss, and I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna put this and I'm gonna paste here. Alright, and I'm gonna click next, and I'm gonna click next, I'm gonna click next, I'm gonna save this. Alright, I'm not gonna overview yet, so I'm gonna go to main store listing. Okay, oops, sorry, I go to store setting, and I just click here edit, and I need to put this website. Okay, copy. Alright, and I paste it here. Alright, and I can actually put the KLIEC. I need to put the text, okay, the add text into that website. But because that website, I don't own that website, I need to give the information to the website. But temporarily, I'm going to put this first. Okay. Alright. Save and publish. Okay, it's okay. So now we're going to go to production. Okay, so we're going to create new release. We're going to upload a new release. So let me, this is, yeah. Okay. It's going to be great. Okay. Alright. Let's hang on for a while. Alright, so it's done. I like to save as draft, and then we're going to click next. And there's still an error here, so I'm going to just update declaration. Okay, this include alright, so okay, so I'm gonna turn off release error. Okay, so let's just do that first. Okay, so okay, hang on, let me just see. This is under, yep, under advertising ID. Yep. So let's do that. Okay, and then we go back to app content, and then we go back to production. Okay, it reacts differently. Okay, so now I'm gonna go next. Okay, I'm gonna save. Okay, I'm gonna go overview, and I'm gonna change to changes for view. Yeah. Okay, so let's just go here. Basically, we are updating it. Okay. Alright. Okay. Did we request for extension? Yep. Let's request for extension of time. Alright, so we are done. So we have still a warning, but we have another 2 more months to settle that out. Okay, so this is, please do remember, okay, so they have already given us, we have been granted extension to comply, so we have enough time to actually comply with whatever requirement that there is. Alright, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you actually update your .aab in Google Play Developer Console. I hope the video has helped all of you. If you have any question, okay, if you have any question, please do come back, alright, and into our workshop, or you can always ask in the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. Alright, so with that, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.